Reality check. Most people will never become who they could be, not because the opportunity wasn't there, but because they chose not to suffer for it. You lie to yourself every single day. You say you're too tired, too busy. You say, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. And every day you stay the same. You're dying a little more inside. No one's coming. Here's the harsh truth. No one is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your parents, not some guru on YouTube. If you want to change your life, it's on you. Every single day you wait for motivation, you waste another day you could be building discipline. Comfort is the killer. Comfort is the enemy. The world tells you to take it easy, to be kind to yourself. That's why you're weak. Every time you choose the couch over the gym, every time you pick the phone over the book, you're feeding the version of you that's destroying your life. Callous your mind. Your mind is like your hands. If you never work, they stay soft. If you put them through pain, they get calloused. The mind works the same way. Wake up early. Run when you're tired. Train when it's raining. Suffer on purpose. So when life gets hard, you don't break. The man you could be. Somewhere out there is the man you could be. He's stronger, faster, smarter, more disciplined. And the only thing between you and him is the work you refuse to do. When you look in the mirror, ask yourself, would he be proud of you today? No excuses. Excuses are nothing but lies wrapped in reason. I'm tired. You're always tired. I'm busy. Everyone's busy. You either make progress or you make excuses, but you can't do both. Stop looking for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Stay hard. Every single day you need to earn your place in this world. No one cares how you feel. No one cares if you're tired. You either get it done, or you stay the same. Stay hard. He's already inside you. Comment, I won't quit, if you're bringing him out. And remember, subscribe to the Masculine Grind. One video a day to rebuild strong men.